Hello guys, so today I am going to show actually how you can separate first name from last name. It's very easy and simple. So first of all, what you need to do actually, you need to copy which names you want to separate. I mean you want to manipulate the name. Just first copy them and make another replication of the names like copy and paste. Then you can create another copy and paste. This is for the first name, this is for the last name. Okay, so you want to keep first name here, last name here. So first of all, you need to copy and paste and make at least two columns, for one for the first name, another one for the second name. Okay, so now what you can do actually, it's from your keyboard. You can actually press Ctrl then F. Okay, so it will appear. So this tab will appear. So after having this tab, what you can do, you can press on replace, and here what you need to do, you need to give actually first a space that I am going to show you. You will see a space and then asterisk sign. Okay, so put first a space, then write the asterisk sign, and now you can actually replace all. So whenever you will click on replace, everything will be replaced. So okay, it's done. So as you can see, there is like okay, I what I made mistake, it was copied all of them were copied. Okay, so it will replace for all of them. So just I want to replace here or manipulate here. What you can do, just Control F, and okay, it's give the space, then asterisk from your keyboard, and now replace. And as you can see, it's a 5. It's 5, and it kept actually the first name. Now same thing you can do for the last name. Just first of all, just select this, then again press Ctrl plus F and go to the replace, and then previously what we did a space, then asterisk sign. This time what we will do, we will give first asterisk sign, then we will press a space. It's the opposite. Okay, so now you can click on replace, and you can see it says replaced and for the 5. So now it's the first name, as you can see, Mary, second name Kuri, so and so on. So this way you can actually separate the first name and last name in Excel sheet. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.